I'm cool with spoils. Just tell me who dies, tell me who finds love. Run over by a, squashed by a, crushed by a crazy raisin. What's your problem, huh? Hot cuties ignore you, making love to a fence. Can't believe how fast my hair grew back. We didn't pay too much attention to the music when we were playing this game because we were too busy having our minds blown with the graphics and scale of the 64 world. But it was always there, accompanying our adventures, feeding into our ears, and now, years later, it's left an indelible imprint on our brains so that whenever we hear it, memories come rushing back, and we strongly recall exactly how we felt and thought at the time. Run over by a, squashed by a, crushed by a, pushed off a crazy raisin. What's your problem, huh? Hot cuties ignore you, making love to a fence. I can't believe how fast the hair grew back. Stream, stream, stream my favourite shows. Just tell me who dies, tell me who finds love. Run over by a, squashed by a, crushed by a crazy raisin. I'm cool, run over by a, squashed by a, crushed by a, pushed off a very high diving board, hit by a monster truck in the street, come out of nowhere, bitten by a bird with some kind of horrible disease that hasn't been reported in the news yet. You're the first case.